Get a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime Music, the only music streaming service with a free 2-day shipping. Check out the link down below for more information. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele. If you guys want to check out my guitar version, I'll have it somewhere around here on the description. But today you're going to be using the capo for the easy chords, and then without it, if you guys don't have the capo, I'll teach you guys how to play those chords without the capo. Alright, first chord we're going to use with the capo on the first fret is an A minor, then to a G, to an F, and then we're going to use a E7. Okay, so A minor, G, F, and then E7. Alright, now with the capo off, we're going to be using a D flat minor, then a G sharp, to an S sharp, and then to an F. Okay, so D flat minor, G sharp, S sharp, F. This song is not really a guitar ukulele friendly, so basically you're just gonna go with the beat. So it goes down, 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 down. Another strum pattern would be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. So. So that is how you play it. The strum pattern that I use, you guys can also use any other strum pattern that you guys feel fits the song. But don't forget to check out my other videos, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.